even taping?
You got something in the box.
What is it?
Wow.
Walker, show me what you got. Show me your Legos, Walk. Oh, yeah. We need to watch that movie. I've never showed him that movie before. Or Star Wars, but he's all into those little figurines. Look, it's got 9,472 pieces. Mm-hmm. How cool is that, Reese? Amazing. Oh, maybe you can take that to Daddy's house. That sounds like a good idea. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's really into that. Hey, Walker, maybe we can go get you that big sheet that I was telling you about that you can put all the Legos on. Awesome. Yeah. You got one too. That's so funny. Because he was like, holy moly. Oh my gosh. Walker, you got one too?
Well, now y'all can race all the way home.
Oh, give Papa a big hug.
Of course, you ain't got but one phone on the way home, don't you?
But we got the nabby, so we can hook that nabby up. Give Papa big hugs. Reese, what do you think?
Where's the big one?
Angry Bird. Star Wars.
Oh, in there? You done been
Ah!
That's Lane's.
Oh, baby Lane.
You can't open that right yet.
Where's the big present?
That's baby
Oh,
Lane's.
this is it. That big one is Lane's. That's baby Lane's.
They have got, oh my